Kannauj, which is about 5 hours from Delhi. It's in the middle of India in a state called Uttar Pradesh. It's one of the medieval age cities that has actually thrived by producing essential oils. I wanted to really visit the origin, how this all evolved.
तो ऐसे करके बाकी का डाल दें जी ये लो अच्छा the deg being closed by multani.
So they take these clay mugs, they break them apart, and then they put them in there. So you actually, when you take that clay and put water in it, the steam rises, goes into the sandalwood. The sandalwood has a very unique property. It absorbs the smell of that steam inside of it.
The oil will get the steam of the flower and it would get absorbed in the carrier oil down there. If we do the same thing with water, the water would absorb the steam, so it would become rose water. So that's the old traditional way since 1400 years. It's being done in Kannauj.
I learned how to really get to the best quality essential oils, especially meant for beauty. One of my products that I've just launched is beauty serums. These serums are made with some of those amazing essential oils like sandalwood and others that I have shown you pictures and videos of.
This is the vetiver crop in India. This place where I'm standing is the Makkah of essential oils in the whole world. This is where everything started 1600 years ago.
So I've used these expensive oils to create these beauty serums, and these beauty serums, I have based them on how these were being prepared in olden days for the queens, for the princesses that used to rule India. I want to bring that in-depth knowledge of how these amazing beauty serums can enhance your beauty and not just put a bunch load of chemicals put together on your face. Put some real plant-based product on your face because your body metabolizes essential oils like food and your body metabolizes chemicals as a toxin. So what do you want to do? I rather would put myself into a situation where I'm actually putting a plant material to my body to help look better, to feel better, to be better. You want actually your body to fix itself through plant material, through natural essential oil based serums. I made my beauty serum product, which is 100% natural, by a lot of product that I got from Kannauj. My mission is to bring my culture to you. I want to give you a piece of that history.
This is the very traditional way which has been in India alone since centuries. And these are the people who have worked all their lives doing the exact same thing for centuries since almost they were born, they've been working here.
The piece of culture that I own to you. That's my mission.